Okay, stream avatar's working. My Vtuber avatar working. Audio is probably a little high because of streaming games. Or rather just getting all existential and sad while playing games. And it's been running for 3 minutes. Probably shouldn't have clicked to open all of them all at once, but I did. So now, I still just gotta wait until it pops up, and then I can... Yeah, so this is, you have to make your own tile data, like info thing. And then here, I think I can put the tile information. Yeah, so then I can say this tile, turn it green or whatever. And then voila, I can actually say for this tile. And then if I just list a set of neighbors, then I can say, hey, your next door neighbor also needs to turn on. And then I can have the little tactics thing pop up and have it connected to the tile map so that it actually has the auto tiling. That was the whole thing, was just to make it so that instead of being separate grid squares, that they would all be connected. Which I would like to show if anything would run. This is exactly the problem I was having the other day. Well, that was a more internet-related thing, where Xfinity keeps telling me, like, oh, it's not going to be working until... Wait! We lied. It's not going to be working until tonight. I have like 15 minutes of this show left. I want to finish it, dang it. Yeah, I ended up spending a couple hours on Grim Dawn because I'm like, well, the internet's not working. And then because the internet wasn't working, Unity was just like, hey, I can't do, hey, I need to connect to the internet. Hey, I can't do that. It's like, there is no internet, just working on an offline mode. It's not authorized. I hate it that my Switch does that now, too. Where it pops up with a, hey, we can't authorize this game. I'm like, I downloaded it. It's fine. This didn't used to be an issue. But now it's just bricked if I try to play it offline, and I hate it. Oh my god, I am sorry that I tried to... Now let's make the poor decision of trying to stop all of these now, too. Okay, we're just gonna open up one thing. Okay, there's gotta be something that I done goofed. I think I have just... Quit. End. End me now. I know it couldn't be completed. That was what I wanted. Why is there 5 separate instances of battle.net running? And they're all gonna disappear all at once. No? Why is nothing running? This is just one of those days. I try to do anything and it says, nah, bruh. Oh, and now they pop up. Okay. Now I can Get rid of the little grass tiles. I was like, maybe I'll just add some decoration and this will look better. I'm just not gonna worry about it. It's just gonna look hella fucking simple, and I'm just gonna leave it at that for now. And just focus on the gameplay. Okay, and just like, I don't want to fix the... I think I do kind of like the colored outlines, but I don't think I want to work on that right now. So we're gonna go back to black outlines. So, step 1. We're gonna just disable this. I'll work on decorations on the map later. I want to get just the tactics movement. You click on a character, it shows up the little grid squares, and then ideally you can move them. The movement might be a little much to get done in a single evening, but okay, so that goes away, and then we go to the scripts and the outline, and just make it black. And then I didn't open up this either, which is what I was trying to wait for. I was trying to just wait for everything to load before I started the stream, and then that just wasn't happening. The longer this takes to load, the more I just want to go back to playing Grim Dawn again, which I don't need to be playing that game. I have other things that I would rather finish, especially like doing this stuff. Well, it's really just adding a... Well, it's because it's gonna add... Like, I need to make, like, specific, separate, special outline. Yeah, because if I do... Well, okay. How was I doing an outline for the character? Can I easily... Because it's really just the clothes. The clothes are... Aren't you... Nothing's loading. Wonderful. Okay. Clothes. So if I just do clothes, and then do outline clothes. Oh, I need to animate it too, don't I? Is the other thing. And then because it's an outline, yeah, just default it to black. And then here has an outline script. We're gonna do the bad idea of that bodes well. Barely started the stream and I'm already just... Well, I've been stuck on this song for an entire week at this point, so... Okay, so... I just turned it off and turned it back. No, I didn't turn it back to black. The layering is the other thing. It should be... We're in layer... Yeah, 2. It should be above the skin, but below other things. Meaning I might have to move numbers around. Okay, so this should pop up with clothing that is not... Should have a red edge here that is not animating, if I understand this correctly. And the answer is no. Oh, wait, is there a list of outlines or something? I do not know. I should know though, cause I made this flippin' thing. No, get out of the scene mode. Oh yeah, I don't know if I want the shadow either though. I mean, it looks okay for now, but so well, I am really bad at everything I do. I just feel like saying a boo-hoo. I'm just not feeling very happy. It's just because I want to interact with people, but that just doesn't happen because the way I insist on interacting with people is making things, and nobody gives a flying fuck. If you're lucky, maybe you could go play Valorant with people. But I don't... Valorant's not bad, but there's a lot of downtime. I don't know how people stream a lot of, like... what is the genre? Like a... Wait, 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 wait. But that's the body part. The body part in this case being the color. Can't wait, what the heck, man? Did I go the wrong direction with that, or... Okay, wait. I really don't know if I turn off... Oh, the clothes should show up then. Why are the clothes not showing up? Wait, you're supposed to have a different shader. Yeah, that's why. Dun, 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 dun. Aha, there we go. That is not ideal. Oh, I was like, the hands are getting covered up a bunch because... Wow, the hands are getting covered up a ton. A little neck choker there too. It's like, it's just the edge though. Shoot. Dang, man. Yeah, it's because I need the... Can I do a sprite mask or something? So does this look any better? The answer is going to be no, but... Meaning I should just go back to the black outlines. That's what everybody expects. That's what everybody likes, just because it pops the most. I just thought it looked a little too rough. It's close. That's the issue, is that it's close. Yeah, it gets the red here, but it's the red here that covers up the hands that I don't want. Yeah, and I don't know if there's a way to do like a... It does look better in terms of... Oh, the question is... It is animating. Okay, so I was able to slap that on there, okay. Oh man, that's... That's better. Not best, but better. To the first verse. But I think it'll be simplest to just go in here and say, nah, sorry. You, but it's hard to believe. And then here, just turn it black. And I want to paint it black. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, see, it's the thing. Like a game dev stream, I'm just like, nope, we're not putting in effort. But I think what I don't know. Because I don't know what people want out of a game dev stream either. Holy fucking shit. This is making me think that somehow I installed a little bit too much on my C drive or something. And that's what's clogging it up. But I'm not gonna fix that right now on stream. Okay, so now you're back to black. which I think just looks a little too harsh. But maybe that's just because there's no other decorations. And as I was noticing with the My Little Pony show, which sounds like a show about... Sounds like a pony show. A little... Which I guess it is. But it sounds like a event where you show off your ponies. But yeah, I was noticing that My Little Pony has colored outlines instead of black outlines. That's the thing, is that like as of right now, I'm sort of leaning towards, at least color-wise. I think if I messed with a color palette, I could go in a different direction with it. Well, and I could just do a black outline on the edge here too. I hate it because I'm like, I like the terrain a lot. I like the characters a lot. I don't know if they look good together. I sort of tried to round out the characters to... Okay, 39. I'm never gonna remember that. Yeah, it's too much. It gets rid of some of the unique... Okay. So, back to that. Starting, the rest is matter, my eternity. I like the color out. I like the colored outlines the best, and I will probably stick with that in the future. But that was not what I wanted to get done right now, and that's just like the decoration. I want to add some kind of decoration, maybe, kind of, sort of, possibly. I'm still a little up in the air about that. Well, because I'm like, if I look at something like Duelist, well, and it's something like Braveland. I'm looking at Braveland, and it's even a flippin' new tab. God, everything's just lagging out. And then I'm like, I look at YouTube, and YouTube's the one that loads, and that's the one I don't want to load, because then I watch all of the YouTube. You can't. It's too much. I'm gonna try anyway. Okay, now, motherfucker. I was going back to this shit. Mother Chucker. No, not sprites. Scripts. I was going back to grid space. And back to, I mean... Yeah, okay, so I have some of this information. I think what I need to do is add the tile information to it. A la... this tutorial here. Yeah, but nothing on how to store data per individual tile. Is this what you need for okay, this is for each tile having all of these things? Wow, it seems like a lot. Oh, and this is game tiles. A Poco model? Oh. Is this how you're spawning all of them? Get world tiles. Yes, it's really just this tile map or tile member set color, which I'm assuming was defined up in here. Tile has tile. Tiles add tile. Wait, tile. Out tile. Doesn't tell me what it is. Tiles. A list of game tiles.instance.tiles. And game tiles was this. .instance. Tiles. A new dictionary of these tiles. Okay. And then the world tile has a set color. Because you're using tile member.setColor. And this tile is part of these tiles, which is part of these game tiles. And these game tiles have world tiles. And the world tile does not have any color information. So where is this set color? What the heck? I don't understand. Tile map member. It's a tile map member, tile map. Wait, a tile map member. Tile map. Does a tile map have a set color? Oh no, that's a set color of a specific tile. Oh. It's a tile. Wait, it's a tile map. Okay. So can I say one of the, because that's what I was trying to test. I just wanted to test it to make it do something. So this is the set color. That seems to say you can just do a... Hello. Why the all caps? Is it because I missed messages last time? I was just like, oh, you sent a message before I started the stream. Oh, you sent a message after I ended the stream. Oops. Well, I'm here now. No need for all caps. I can hear you clearly. The No, not like that. Okay. It was funny to me though that I was like, oh look, a message when I'm not here. Another message when I'm not here. Okay, the... Oh, caps meaning you're excited to see me. Well. Oh, okay. What country is it that is excited? You say. There's probably a few different places that use all caps for excitement, but the I think it's just on the internet. I tend to assume that it's negative, but Afghanistan. That always surprises me. That it's just all over the place for people that watch. I'm like, oh yeah, this is a person that's across the world, and here's somebody from. There's like an English person and somebody from Afghanistan and stuff. Okay, I was getting confused because it comes easily to me. I'm glad there's at least somebody here to stop by and say hi, because I got myself good and depressed on Friday, where I'm like, I've been streaming for so long and nobody stops by. And it was all started because of getting over it, though. That was really just the catalyst. Okay, no, I want just the tile array, right? This is a tile map? What is this? It's a tile base. So the tile map. That's a tile map. So... Oh, you're joking? Joking about what exactly? Decoration tile map. I would say I'm also fairly trusting and gullible. I don't know. I think it's a little more fun to be accepting of as many things as possible instead of... I was looking for this specific line. Joking about being excited. For going back to being negative again. So tile map, remember? Or is that not a thing? Tile. Is there just a set color? Set color. There is a set color. Is there a... Yeah, position and color. Okay. So... Dun, 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 dun. Wait, was this the... I'm trying to think of who was the one that was saying, "Hey, come listen to my songs." Which, like I said, thought they were good, but I do not know the language. Okay, Okay, well that means I can set a color of a specific tile. That's not really what I was looking for. Okay. I'm trying to get this dad blasted thing looking vaguely like this dad blasted thing. I'm doing better today. I had a nice meal and I'm working on stuff. I feel better when I'm working on game development stuff, but I tend to get busy enough that I don't have time for it. Okay, I want... like that. I wanted to do that. So like I sort of have the code. I can sort of pull it over. It's just getting it to on the tile map. So the rest is matter. We'll see if Twitch gets mad at me for playing this song, but I've had it on repeat for an entire week, and I'm like, I don't feel like figuring out new music. We're gonna just listen to this one over and over again. It's probably better than me listening to And They Don't Stop Coming on repeat. And the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Yeah, okay, so this is telling the unit to do the thing. When the world looks big. But it's not actually making the grid spaces. The way I was doing it here, I guess I can look at this. I don't feel like popping open the other one. Well, but that's where the code came from. It's the other one, so maybe I should look at, because this is the one I want to pull the card information from. This is the one I want to pull the movement. Well, I don't necessarily want to pull the movement from this. And then it's going to take forever to load again. Okay. Sounds like I kind of feel like I just need to save off tile information. Well, I'm also making a series of grid spaces. I think I got rid of the game. It's because I don't need the game object. What I need is the tile. I just need the script attached to the tile. I don't need a full game object attached to the tile. So it's a world tile, which has a tile base and a tile map. Oh, tile map member. Wait, why tile map member? So something about a specific instance of. So make a new dictionary of tiles, which are world tiles. That is game tiles. No, okay, up here, which has this information. Tile base, tile map. This is the one with the bugs. Is this the one with the bugs?
In this video, I'll show you how to create a nice checkerboard pattern grid. It's a and it'll say width of the map divided by 2. And this is actually
No, this is.
now I run out of tiles.
Okay, that's just a. Shoot, there was one with bugs that I thought was actually kind of nice. Yeah, it wasn't this isometric one either. Get world tiles. Does this world tile have, I guess, the tile base, tile map? Oh, the location. So it has the local place and that. So that here you can just. Yeah, okay, so that's the specific tile. Okay, that's a lot of good information to stick in a tile. I see why they did that. Set tile flags. Okay, the local place. So that's that specific tile. Set color. So, what other things can you do? So that is that specific tile. So the level tile. No. Decorate. I'm like, I need to make a highlight tile, which is both a. That's. Well, I could. I guess I could just, for testing purposes, I don't need to have the edge on the map. I can add the edge map later. It'll just be yet another. Okay, so let's just do set whatever. Oh my god. Set. There we go. The. Okay, so that switches out. Set tile flags. Set. I guess technically I could just turn the entire tile map off if the highlight's not going. Because I would just be turning off the entire highlighting section, essentially. Which that I can do with the set active. Can I? So is it not active? It is active. The game object? There we go. Get the game object from the tile map. There we go. And then I can do the set active to false if it's not highlighting. Okay. So now I can get more confused. I want to steal all this stuff. Explored from. This doesn't have the neighbors though. Because that's really what I feel like there should be an easier way to find like a tactics game thing, but then all of this stuff is just like just roll your own thing, and I'm like, I want it attached to the tile map so that I can use the auto tiling feature, and that doesn't seem to be. Yeah, this is mouse movement of a single object, but not like a tactics thing using the tile map. What if I look up that then? So Unity, like tactics game on the tile map specifically. Yeah, and these are just tile map guides, and then this one's roll your own tiles. But I want the auto tiling thing. And that's just here's how you use tile maps. How you get started with tile maps, but yeah, it's all basic stuff and not like not this specific thing of oh, I didn't get water, dang it. I can never get all of the steps ready for starting a stream despite having done it for over 800 hours. What is it, 10,000 hours to really learn something? That's my excuse. Which, oh no, I'm gonna get closer and closer to that. Okay, I want to run the game just to see it. So I'm like, this looks cool. I like it. I don't love it. And I hate that I don't love it. Oh, I still need to need to fix the faces. Yeah, the shadows probably a bit much, but it was so easy to add that I was like, I'll give it a try. Yeah, it really gives off the presence of like there is intense lighting in the scene, despite the fact that there isn't. But then I would have to attach it to the characters too. Okay. But I think it's really just a matter of taking this grid space and adding the tile information. Which, according to this, was saying you need all of this stuff. This is for breath first. Searching. Do I need to do that? I don't know that I want to mess with pathfinding. Okay, but so we're just gonna snag this real quick. Stick it under grid space. Oh, these do make these pop up more like. There is a lot of just weird things that I've picked up that I say. Done got educated at Pabamaliksku. Okay, the local place, which I already have position here. Although I have that as a vector 2 instead of a vector 3 int. And then because I'm using this tile map stuff, do I want to keep position around for now? Probably, because let's just getters and setters. That's using position. No, that's using transform.position. I don't really need to keep it around. Oh wait, this is. Wait, that's a grid space thing. But this is what I'm using to make the checkerboard. This is what I get for trying to mash code together from different projects. There's similar projects, but they are not the same project. Why so much space? It also looks like there's... Oh, it's just because this is the 0 references. Yes, I know I'm not using it anywhere. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so magical code to snag from. What else do you say? Nah, I think I need to actually sit down and read this, but nah, just copy, paste, and get confused, and then sit down and read it. What is it? Minutes of planning can save you hours of coding. Or the better version, hours of coding can save you minutes of planning. So that's just the test stuff. So this is the spawning. This is setting up all the game tiles. With the dictionary of world tiles. Get world tiles. Why do I need a specific instance of this? Because then this is using it. Game tiles.instance. Is it because this is a static thing or something? Static game tiles. Aha, okay. I mean, this one I might snag wholesale. Well, but I'm already spawning some amount of tiles. I mean, just for the sake of learning, I might snag it wholesale. It's called game tiles. You suck. And you're gonna take forever to load. Why do you take 6 years to load everything now? I would like you to load a little faster. It's probably like I just need to delete files, but it only happened as in like the past few days that it's just decided to lag out like none other. Okay, I was calling it game tiles. I forgot the name in the time it took for that to load. That's why I needed to load faster. And then we go and snag the whole thing. We'll see if I can get to the the actual moment of tactics. And then my phone started ringing. And now I'm distracted. It's not even anything important. Bugger off. It's never anything important. I don't know why I have a phone attached to my phone. I just need the smart part. So this is a set of world tiles. In this case, I'm using grid space instead of world tile. We'll get that later. I'm not adding a cost for breadth-first searching right now just yet, because... Okay. So this is not attached to anything or doing anything. I'm assuming this is attached to a game object or something. Despite not including photos of that. It's probably the part where you read the thing. I made the game tiles right. Hey! An instance. That way I could Contani? Damn it! There's a lot of these that I see repeatedly and I still don't get it. Now in Awake, setting up the... I just need to attach it to a game object, I'm pretty sure. Despite the fact that it doesn't say that. Or it says it and I just haven't read it. Too long didn't read. Also, I made it all into Japanese. I made some of it into Japanese for maximum confusion. This is... No, game tiles? I keep thinking the world tiles and game tiles. I'm like, oh, it's all of the tiles in the world, and then the game tile's the specific one, and I think it's the other way around, where it's a world tile, and then a set of the specific set of game tiles. That's the test. Oh wait, so does the test spawn the thing? No, it just says world tile. Yeah, game tiles. And I think because it's a static thing? Okay, wait. Let's just see if this runs. I know that's a game object with a full sum total of nothing in it, but... Yeah, okay. It still runs just fine. So... As I said, made it in instance so that I don't have to... Okay, I do want this. I like the idea of testing it by... You just click on the thing. So, I already have a spawn. We're gonna just throw it in spawn. Instead of doing a test. And just make the spawn class even more bloated. That's how we do. So this main camera, this world point, figures out where the mouse is specifically. And I just forgot the variable. Yes. Okay, and hey. So this should find the game tiles instance tiles. The game tiles get world tiles. The world tiles has a local place. Tiles. Tile map. Tile map. Instance. Okay, so I need to add a... So I do need to add a game tiles with a tile map. So you're gonna be game tiles. Nope. Nope. Remove. I want to add game tiles, right? Oh, grid. Game. And then I want to add this tile map. Who's trying to use world tile? Oh, I got rid of that. Right? Wait, what? No, grid space, not world tile. There we go. Okay, now you're gonna stop complaining? Yes. Now are you gonna run correct? I got rid of cost. Don't worry about the cost. It costs nothing. No, it costs, you know, mental sanity, not. I don't have water. I think I might need to go, if this works, do a victory sip of water. So, theoretically... Okay, I don't need you to show off the different things. It's cool. I don't need it right now, though. So this game tiles. I don't really have access to see if it's actually putting anything or doing anything, but... And I don't know if the... Because the tile's not getting a tile object. It's just the tile. Okay, who's spinning out this? Oh, this was just the... Don't really... Okay, I'm gonna just get rid of that for now. So the game tiles should theoretically be... making a dictionary of tiles. And then here on this update, so can you spit out the set of tiles? So tiles. No. Debug dot log. And the world looks bleak. I want this to work so that I can go get water. Probably shouldn't be using dehydration as like a motivating factor, but then again. So I think anger is probably one of the most motivating factors. Which I really don't want that to be the case, but... And it's not. There's a lot of times where I'm not angry, but... When I really, really need to get something done and I don't want to do it, anger helps me push through. And I still don't like that fact, but... So that... Okay, so that means you've got something? So does that mean this tile has something? Because I thought I was... Wait, where'd the click? Oh, I forgot to... I got all this stuff inside of the click and not the click itself. What a goof. But that means everything should have turned green then, right? Or no? And then found the tile. Just, I don't need to know what the tile is, just that it was found. Because if it was found, then it should be turning green. But well, and this is on update and not on... Unless it's not getting clicked? Wait. Because you have to have a collider? Is that something you mentioned here at the beginning? Creating colliders. So it's the one instance of collider? Okay. So down here, when it says click, we loop through the position. You need a collider though, right? I guess we'll try. So the level tile map I want to add a tile collider 2D. Maybe. Everything gonna explode. Because physics has a way of doing that sometimes. Tiles. Okay, so it's definitely getting the click. So the click is happening. So it's saying, hey, and I have the tiles. But when it's trying to hit here... Well, let's see what the world point is then. And make sure that is... Because it should be... should be around like... Should be less than 5. Greater than 0, less than 5 or something like that. Or 0 and like 10 or something. If I understand the positioning of things correctly. Because this is translating into world space. Which is why it says world point instead of screen, right? I need water, please work. World point is apparently nothing. Did I put something in there? No, I didn't. That would help. World point, that's what I wanted. I was too busy thinking it out and not typing it out. Okay, please work so I can go hydrate. Okay, I click. Ooh, that is exactly what I like to see. Those are the locations that I'm trying to click. Okay. So, I'm assuming it's false. So it's looking at that world point to see if it can find that tile. No, it is false. Otherwise it would say found tile. Yeah, okay, so it's looking at that point and saying, hey, am I finding a tile here? And apparently the answer is no. You sucketh. I really wanted to... 0? I guess it is 0 on the Z, but is it... Wait, does the... Yeah, okay. At least on these game object coordinates, it's all at 0. I mean, adding it... Making it a 1 instead of a 0 is not gonna... That shouldn't be it. So it's looking in the tiles, which it has a set of tiles. Can you give me the count of this? Maybe it's just a... That's a set of no tiles. Let's just double check that it is a set of 25 or less tiles. If it's making the tiles correctly, which is visually looking like it's making the tiles correctly, but... Oh, I don't know if the... Oh, it's... Aha! Okay, so this is not spawning correctly. Should make sense. Tile map cell bounds all positions within. Oh, this is on awake. This feels like it should be. But this whole thing is static, right? No, this class is not static. Just this instance is static, meaning probably slap this all into spawn anyway, because it's kind of what it is. It's the same as spawn. This is a bad idea, but if it's a functioning idea, I can say I'm gonna go back and fix it later, and then not actually fix it later. You just say a thing. You just pretend like it's true. And if you pretend hard enough, it can become true. Okay, so the issue here is this all happens in start, not awake. Okay, so I think I might do generate level or something like that. Yeah, it's always the or something like that, and then just stick with that first thought. And then all y'all go down in here. And then all y'all go away to be replaced with generate level. And then I realize, oh wait, I lied. I want to do this in awake. So make the level, then you can save it off in the world tiles. And don't generate it again. I wonder what that would do. What is the instance? Game tiles. Game tiles I'm getting rid of for spawn. Probably not a great idea, but I just want to see if it works. Okay, so now game tiles is doing jack diddly squat, and to make sure that game tiles is doing jack diddly squat, and do that. Yeah, and I could do. Okay, the tile map. Oh, the level tile map then. I have this in spawn already, that's why I wanted to do this level tile map. This specific tile map here that's already in spawn. Meaning tile map is still hanging around in here, isn't it? Because I just copied everything over, so that can go away. Which I should probably get the code working first, but whatever. That was a bad idea, apparently. Okay, we're gonna not do that. You can continue to hang around, and in doing so, you can also continue to hang around. So that means instead, I mean, it means I should make it level tile map on all of those. No, you're complaining in the script, not. Oh, I have to get that working before I can drag it in within Unity. Wait, was this initializing it? Thought I copied everything over. I don't think this is... What the heck, man? Why do you suck so bad? You're not red. And then I go over here and you're like, nah. You gotta fix it. No, okay. Gosh dang it, like mother flippin'. Okay, just hit Control S. Okay. The rest is Madam Identity. Dun, 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 dun. You suck. At least it's trying to do something and breaking. Game tiles. Why are you still trying to use the game tiles one? What the heck was I doing? Oh, this is the two different scripts. But because I smashed it all into one. Okay, but in this case, you can just do spawn instance, which, as you were correctly pointing out, I'm already in spawn. I don't need to be doing that. Rest is Madam Eternity. Okay, I might just go grab some water here. Despite not actually getting this working. Hey, victory! I'm gonna go grab some water here. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's a start. That's a start. Yeah. Victory sip. Be right back. Okay. Got some water. And also snagged a piece of candy. To make myself more dehydrated, I suppose. Okay, so now I think I've circumvented game tiles entirely. Because I jammed it all in your spawn. Yeah, I probably should have finished the candy before coming back, but that's okay. Yeah, okay, so if I delete that, just to double check that it is just using spawn and grid space. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, it is just on mouse down instead of. Well, I can change that easily enough. Only update? Update, there we go. Also, just to double check that I'm understanding this correctly. Well, this is the mouse click. I know how the mouse click works. Wee! Why is this darker? Wait, there was a... Is it... Because it is just changing that level. I don't know. It looked darker than the other ones, but that's... Might just be my imagination. Once again, running away with me. Okay, but the even more drastic thing to do to make sure it's not using the game tiles is to say bye-bye. Yeah, it's... I don't need a small amount of scripts. I just... Because I think it is supposed to be you have a lot of scripts that all have a little bit of code in them. Instead of a script that has all of the code in it. It definitely looks brighter. But theoretically, it should only be these that are changing. Like the base level color is... Okay, so... So now, instead of set color... So now I want a highlight tile map. I mean, a nice blue is fine. RGB? Blue. 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 Sure. Along to the first verse. So now it's a set active or something. So now the tile map that I want to throw in here is this highlight tile map. Wow, my teeth are unhappy with any amount of sugar that comes in contact with them now. Like, I gotta get that looked at. It's not good. So... Enabled? This is the tile map itself. But I want to... Oh, it's a set a tile. That's what it is. I just want to set tile at the position and the eternity. So tile local place And I want it to be tile base. Is it still floating around? It shouldn't be. Okay. It's not. So like I widened my eyes there and it did narrowed eyes. The wait. I know what it is. Level tile. And I want the... There is only one, but it's so I can switch out. When the world looks bleak, I love you, but it's hard to believe. And that whole thing is blue, so... My eternity. Okay, as cool as this was, which I'm not gonna get rid of it just yet. Dun 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 dun. Oh, so is it just based on voice? Because I'm not moving my lips when I do that. Da, 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 da. Oh, interesting. So it's based on audio. Oh, not entirely based on audio. Partially based on audio. Yeah, okay. Interesting. All bones well. But you just like you. Stupid fucking piece of fucking shit. So this thing I dragged into this thing, so this is what you're supposed to do. And you're supposed to set the tile. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's not like there should be any other tiles in there. I don't know if you have to initialize it to say, hey, it's got a certain amount of space. So you can actually add a tile. Dun, 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 dun. I just got rid of all the debug messages that said that it's getting all the way down to there. Okay, so instead of found tile, to the first verse. Favorite song of night, once all wrong. Love you, but it's hard to believe. Wait, what the heck? Why are you not getting down to this yet? What the, what the, what the, what the, what the, what the, what the. Tile base, tile map member. Wait, where's the... So you're the one making grid spaces? Yeah, tiles. No, no, not F12. Find it. Yeah, this can find everything that's tiles, but get world tiles. Yeah, tile map has tile local place. Tile map, cell bounds, all positions. Well, and this is on awake. Generate level. Yeah, so on awake, it's generating the level. But the highlight is not getting generated because it's a new thing. April to May. Because I actually give me decoration in this case. Technically, this tile map is the highlight tile map. Not a highlight. Highlight tile map. I just need a single tile base as the... Well, and I have a single tile base, right? Which is... I had... Well, these are just basic tile datas. This was just for testing stuff that wasn't working. You a special thing? No, you're not a special thing. It just looks special because it had that capitalization on it. I don't know why they were doing that, because they weren't making that static or anything. All bodes well. Okay, so now what the heck comes? Oh. Or do I need it to be the level, but then the level... Shoot, it's because I want to detect on the level where there's a tile to then make a tile on another tile map to do the highlighting. Okay, so just go back to do this. Don't do it capitalized. The capitalization confuses me. Because then it makes it look like it's a class and not just an instance of a thing. Okay. Well, seeing how the number is fluctuating on OBS, maybe I actually did a good title on my stream. After 800 hours, I learned that the title actually matters. Which, you think I would have learned that the one time I titled it something about pixel art, that I actually had multiple viewers for a certain amount of time. Okay. So, that tile map is the level tile map. But the clicky click is grids. Okay, wait. It's because I want to click on one tile map and then spawn a tile on a different tile map. Is the thing. I don't want to just change the color of that specific tile. I want to... Okay, so that's initializing that level tile map to to be a set of grid spaces and stuff. That's fine. And then here, okay, so don't do this, because it's not this tile. No, tiles, which is a dictionary of tiles. It's like, okay, what I think I actually need to do is set this up to have another shoot. Okay, so go, just make me feel better again. I'm gonna drag in the level tile map, and hopefully it'll go back to changing those to green. Because even if it spawns a new, even if it changes it to a terrain tile, it should turn it back to green. Yes, okay, good. I guess technically I could just change the thing to green instead of trying to do a different, like, highlight tile map. No, the reason I need the highlight tile map is so I can get a separate edge tile. That's what I'm trying to get to. It's a separate edge tile. Because I think that'll look nice. Okay, so it's setting up a second set of tiles. So this is the level tiles. Or like spawned. Spawned. Level tiles. What was I doing for like these? That was a tile array. Okay, and these test tile things can go away now finally. Because I found a version to do what I want. I don't know if I need the tile positions much anymore, but wait, what the heck was I messing with? Okay, this is the spawned level tiles. I also want to do another one that is the spawned highlight tiles. It's because I want that extra edge for the highlight tiles. Is why I'm going through all this confusion. Yeah, okay, so now here, the level tiles. No, the spawned. Spawned? Level tiles. No. The current level tiles? What did I call it? Spawned level tiles. Tiles. There we go. There we go. Spawned level tiles. And then spawned level tiles. And this is for this specific tile map. Wait, what is this? And then it gets me all the tile maps. Okay, no, I already have the level tile map. So then that can go away. So you are the level tile map. There we go. Okay, so let's get world tiles. Now what I would like to do, I think, is pass in a dictionary of that. And this is the tiles to spawn. And then the tile map. And this is the selected tile map. Okay, and then you I guess I would need to return both of those things. It's because I need to do this twice over for two different and or more different tile maps. Well, I guess we'll just see what this breaks. So the tiles to spawn is this. And then the selected tile map is this. And then the get world tiles is not working because it's not passing in a spawned level tiles. Oh wait, it's just it's just that. So spawned level tiles, not whatever I was trying to do, and then the selected tile map being the level tile map. And then same thing here, spawned highlight tiles. And the highlight tile map. Highlight tile map. Yo, what the fluff in hell? I thought I added this, well, oh well. I guess I'll just add it yet again. 'Cause I thought I did that back when, but I guess maybe I didn't. I don't really need this right now, but I guess I'll do it anyway. So what the heck are you having a problem with? Instance. There we go. Spawned level tiles. That's what I want to go through. I want to go through all the spawned level tiles. And it's gonna spit out a tile. Okay, and then okay, let's just see if this works. Theoretically, I should have remade what I already made. Theoretically. Unless I didn't turn over all that. When the world looks bleak, I love you, but it's hard to believe. Level edge? No. How did it? Huh? 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 Okay, tiles. Give me that terrain tile. Not that it matters. Okay. Yo, what the floor for hell? Does that mean I didn't actually get any of the tiles into the thing? Weekday, they rolled a man. Why are you only exploding then? Why 5? Yo, what the heck? Okay, so that's saying that the tiles, or the instant spawn tiles, is not actually getting set. Which is what I was afraid of with the... That is not what I meant to say. I wanted to click on this. To figure out why this is not... It's because it's returning 2 different things. Wait, huh? What the heck do you mean that it's not being used? At least it's dark as if it's not being used. Looks bleak. I love you, but it's hard to believe. Okay, so this matter my eternity. No, wait, I just need to return that. I don't need to return that tile map. I'm passing that in, yeah, but I don't need to. And then I don't need to be passing in that either. From April to May. there we go. So now you're returning the dictionary for this tile map. And then here, I'm not needing to pass this in, because I'm setting it there. The world looks bleak. I love you, but it's hard to believe. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-ba-dum-dum, ba-da-da, ba-da-ba, ba-dum, ba-dum, dum, ba-da. In the Midwest, June to July. So, highlight tile map? Okay, so what if I turn off the level tile map? Well, that's cool. Okay, but that means the I love you, but it's hard to believe. Okay, so now that's those tiles. Dun 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 dun. So, shoot. No, wait. This is a specific grid. Fudge face. I don't really know why I need to do the flags thing. Coming along to the first verse of favorite song. Okay, so I want to make sure that it's still at least getting the click and it's still turning it green. But theoretically, I should be able to turn off the and the rest is meta modernity. So I click on that, and then I turn off that, and it's not doing anything with the highlights. Motherfuck. God damn it, I really think you suck. No, I need to set the tile. Oh, duh. I'm setting the tile there. I don't think I actually need to set that tile because that tile's already set. It's here. Then I need to set a tile and then change its color to green. But I don't think I need to set this tile because there should already be a tile there. Yeah, clearly there is a tile there. I was only setting the tile because I was messing with this highlight tile map stuff. Which I think after doing all of this, I don't actually need that second set of saved highlight tiles. Oh wait, and theoretically, I want it to be... Oh, I don't need to set it to green then. So don't set it to green. Just set the tile. And actually, I think I want it to be the edge and not the... To the first verse, a favorite song. Each day with the words all wrong. Yeah, I think I actually want it to be this bold edge. Because that was the whole point, is that it's... I mean, I guess either or. I'm gonna need both. At least I'm gonna want both. Nope. That'll be a little easier to see, too. Is that if it adds an edge, then that means it actually added it to the highlight tile. So get rid of you. It did do it. Ooh, ee. Oh. Oh. Meaning I don't need you anymore. Oh, it's because I set it to level tile 0 instead of the edge one. The rest is meta-modernity. Oh, I better go take that. I'll come back at some point. Okay, I'm back. And excited, because it looked like it was doing the thing I wanted it to do. Wait a second. Where is this? What layer is this on? Aha! Actually, no, it should be under the decoration. So it should be 163. And the decoration should still be on top of that. At 162. No, I just hit Control S. I don't need to. Hell yeah. And then I can turn it off. As in, I can turn off this. And see that. Hey! It's painting the highlight on top of everything. Yes! And it's got the correct... Yes! Yes! Success! Okay, because technically I want the highlight tile map and the highlight edge tile map. Okay, because I also should not be able to paint outside of the lines. I didn't really test that, I was just so excited by... Aha! Yes! Yes! I mean, it's probably fine being a little bit of both. So, this is the highlight edge tile map. Well, that was the other thing, is that I don't know that I actually need that whole set of highlight, because of the way I'm doing this. Okay, I don't need this flags thing either. You can go away. I don't know why I need that. Okay, but these spawned highlight tiles, I don't think I actually need this either. Yeah, I gotta remember to keep looking at the settings just to make sure it didn't somehow explode in the middle of... Because it's done it before, and it'll want to do it again. Okay, so all that work to get multiple different versions of these setting of tiles, it's like, okay, I didn't actually need that because I just needed the tile map. It's here. I did need the dictionary of tiles though to get a spot to set that. And this is good to have as a... Good that I broke it out the way I did. Why are you not... highlight tiles? Clearly I'm not using it for much. I'm not, because I'm using... Wait, this is the set of tiles that I want to use specifically for highlights, which I'm not doing as set of tiles specifically for highlights. This I'm doing something special. This I'm doing something special. This I'm not. I'm just using the tile map. Okay. Let's clean this up here. I'm not doing a separate set of shadow tiles. I'm not doing a separate set of... Okay, I'm not doing a separate set of checker tiles. I am doing a separate set of... So the level tiles are important. The edge tiles are important. The decoration tiles are important. Okay, let's move some stuff around some more. So that I can get all of the tile maps together. They can all hang out. I think technically I could just say tile map and then just do a list of... Like, I think I can just do... like that. I mean, that'll save some space for sure. I'll have to reset. I'll have to re-add everything, but the background tiles. I'm only using two types of tiles. The terrain and the edge. And the decoration. But I'm not using it just yet. But I do have those. But within Unity here, I am only using tile-wise, sprite-wise, tile-wise. Okay, tiles. I'm only using this, and I'm only using this. The rest of these... I am changing the colors of some of these. And obviously I am doing a bunch of different tile maps, but... So this is the tile map for that. That's that special tile map. This special tile map. Okay, what are the background tiles? I'm not doing anything with background tiles just yet. I think I want to do a separate set. It's just the terrain and the edge. And the decoration technically, but I'm not messing with that just yet. So the level tiles and the level edge tiles. Of both of which are just one tile, but just in case I want to do more, I have that option available to me. Okay, and then the one that has actually got multiple different types of tiles in it, being that. When the world looks bleak, I love you, but it's hard to believe. Okay, there we go. That should make this a little smaller. There's still a lot of this, though. And you, that's the thing. It's like the shadow tiles are the level edge tiles, or the level tiles. The shadow tiles, background tiles. Oh, the background tile being that edge. The checker tiles are also the level ones. There we go. It's good, all bodes well. The world looks... Yeah, it's just because I have a billion tile maps. Because I'm doing something different with each of them. Or rather, I'm positioning them differently. Oh, and I don't need this in start anymore because it's on awake. Okay, so the reason I was doing all of this was so that I could add another highlight. And I'm not messing with spawned highlight tiles anymore. I'm trying to cut down on the code a little bit. Okay, highlight tile map. And then the highlight edge tile map. Okay, and then the highlight tile map set tile. Also, same thing. So this is the highlight edge tile map. Is that really all I needed to do? It might have been. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to redo all of this though. Right? No, okay, all these tile maps are fine. Highlight edge tile map. Here, which... No, like I said, layering wise, I think it's fine. If it's on the same layer. Oh, good, okay. Oh, good. So, was it that easy? That's always the thing. Sometimes it takes forever to get the base systems in, but then once you have the base systems, then it's suddenly like... Okay, I don't see an edge, though. No, I do see an edge. It just happens to be the same thing. So level edge, yes. There we go, okay. That's why it was looking a little darker blue. At least I want to say I can see it. I don't know if I could. And now, hard to believe. Hell yeah! There we go. Bitchin'. Yes! Yes, I am unstoppable. I can't be stopped. Yes! Okay, just for fun. Okay, just for fun. Okay, just for fun. Okay, just for fun. Okay, world tiles. Get clicked tile. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Okay, wait. Oh, and then out would be this, a grid space, so. Hard to believe. Start to feel the rest is matter. Oh, it did say stream at downtimes, basically. Well, that's a bool. Well, it isn't out. I don't know if that's... Ret run. Return. No. And then here. Estes meta modernity. Get clicked tile. If it's not equal. Oh, no, 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 no. I hate that button. Not equal to no. And then all y'all can go away. So. Cause what I wanted to do was if. Cause what I want to do was if. Cause what I want to do was if. Can I say clear tile? Clear all tiles. Does it set it to like nothing? Oops, oopsie, oops, 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 oops. Oops, 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 whoopsie daisies, oops, oh no. The rest is meta modernity. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba ya da 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 ba 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 da ba da ba 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 ya da da. Oh no! Oh no! What did I break? What the heck, man? You should be totally fine. What the heckums? Yo, what the heckies? Yo, what the heckums? Yo, what the heckies? What the hell you were doing so goddamn well. Now why the fuck do you really suck? Thought it was just doing fine, but now here I am doing a lot of whining. Damn it, I could almost got away with that too. No, it would be set in tile then, if it was actually getting it. 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 I mean, it should be totally fine. I do not see why. It's kind of exploding now. I thought it was... Or not exploding, but it's not doing anything. What the heck? Yo, like, what the heck? Yo, like, what the heck? What the heck, man? It was totally fine. I remember laughing and crying. No, it wasn't all that crazy. But, what the heck? Why do you not flip and work? You flippin' jerk. Okay, but that means the get clicked tile is not actually returning anything, but it was returning stuff just fine when it was in the other... What the flippin' hell, man? You really suck. I had the thing working, and then I just decided to. I want to see if I can erase the tiles. The world looks bleak. I love you, but it's hard to believe. Rest is meta maternity. No, 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 no. What? 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 Oh, wait. No, wait. This is only getting run when it's... What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. Huh? It was working just fine. If it's true, then return a tile. What the flippin' heck, man? It's not like it's running all the time. It's saying that every single thing is null. But why is it only saying that now? What? I could have sworn all this was working, and that I was thinking about twerking, but I'm not doing that at all. I think I'm gonna have to make a call where I put this shit back here just to see if that is clearing it up. Okay, you can fuck off then. Oh, what the fuck? It's literally the same. It should be pretty much the same dad blasted thing. Like, what the fuck? You just suck. I thought I had it working. Okay, how is this different? What the, 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 what? What? Hmm? 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 This based off the camera, man. Screen to world point. It's all within the update anyway. And then instance that spawn level tiles. It's all within the update anyway. It's because that's returning a tile or not, as opposed to returning a bool. Stay with the words all wrong. The world looks bleak, but it's hard to believe. Oh, because this tile is not getting... That's what it is. Okay, I got it. I didn't pass in the right thing. Although they seem to be saying it was still spitting out null. Okay, I'm gonna keep the working code. Keep the working code before I get rid of it. Before I... Okay, you are returning a grid space. Grid space. Clicked tile is this. Now, this clicked tile, if this one's not equal to null, then this clicked tile here, not this underscore tile thing, is really what I want. That's really what I want. That's really what I want. That's really what I want. Ba 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 ba. Whoops, 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 oops, oh no, whoops, whoops, oh no, oops, whoops, whoops, oh no, oops, oops, oh no, whoops, 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 oops, oh no, oops, whoops. Okay, I don't even need to do this. But again, this is making the code a little better, a little more reusable. Why? 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 That's... What? Huh? What? That's... Huh? What? Huh? That's... Huh? What? Huh? Yeah, okay, that's the specific thing that I was trying to say here. And then you can only set it if it's not equal to null, so that's why that's there. And important. Okay, I guess let's make sure this is not interfering with anything. It shouldn't be. Should have no effect. Meta maternity. Bop ba ba da bop ba da da ba 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 da ba 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 da. Okay, that's not related. Okay, what are the major differences here? I copied all of this stuff down into that. It's getting the camera, it's getting the world point, and it's... Because it's a bool. That's the same instance thing. The world point should be different because it's the same camera and the same input mouse. What? It's gotta be that out grid space value that, like, it only works in the ones that it doesn't save it off. You should be returning it so that you can mess with it. I guess I just don't understand how that works. I thought this was gonna be nice and smaller and neater and more reusable so that I don't have to copy paste a bunch of stuff. I just thought it would be nice and neat and fun to be able to draw and then erase stuff. That's all I thought. It's just like, it might be fun to erase. We could try that. No, you can't. Walk off. Okay. So if I try adding an erase instead by doing something like this and then getting rid of these, this is a lot. This is duplicating a fair amount of code here, which I was trying to avoid, where I'm like, okay, well, I can do... I just don't want to do this every update. I only want to do it when the button is clicked. I don't need to be doing it every update. Yeah, I know you can keep Unity running and then go, oh, well. Or at least I thought you could. Okay. What? That is what I wanted. I just wanted to do it with a little less code than this. Well, that's what I wanted. I thought I could simplify the code, so why does that not let me do this? With the words all wrong. What the flippin' goddamn hell? This is not what I wanted, well, oh well. What? It's gotta be that out. This is out tile. Apparently I can't save that off? Why can't I save it? If I can mess with it, if I can use it, I should be able to just spit it out. Yeah, because it was just consistently returning null. Try to get the value. God damn it. Well, oh well. At least this is kind of the thing that I wanted. Okay, I could probably just call it quits at this point. I got something to show off. This is the thing, sort of, that I wanted to get working. It's not attached to a character. You're not clicking a character, but it is the nice highlight squares that don't go outside of the realm of the thing. And you can erase it and stuff too, so. Ba 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 bum ba ba bum 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 ba ba bum ba ba bum. Amogus. It's an Amogus. That's probably a good spot to end. If I'm drawing Amogus. think my brain's fried and I'm done. I can maybe try coming back another day and fixing that code. Yeah, I think I'm good. Yeah, and I could do a build off stream and stuff, so. Bye-bye, thanks for stopping by.